Hi everyone, in this video I'll show how to recover deleted Facebook Messenger photos and videos or restore deleted Messenger photos and videos. If you want to recover or restore your all deleted Facebook Messenger photos and videos, so let's see how to do that. I'll show some steps. You can follow my all steps, so don't skip this video, watch full video and please subscribe this channel. When we accidentally delete or lose our Facebook Messenger photos and videos, but I can easily recover or restore. So first of all, I can delete some Facebook Messenger photos and videos. You can see in this time I can delete some Facebook Messenger photos and videos, but I can easily recover or restore deleted Facebook Messenger photos and videos or Facebook Messenger deleted photos recover easily. So let's see. So first of all, go to your file manager. File manager, open it. After that, open it. After that, in this here, search Messenger. And in this I can easily see or find or recover or restore my deleted Messenger photos and videos. So let's see. So first of all, choose and open Messenger folder. After that, open it. And in this here I can see my all deleted Messenger photos recover or restore in this here. After that, open it. I can see my deleted Messenger photos. And in this I can easily share my recover or restore deleted Messenger photos. So first of all, you can choose and select your need photos. After that, send. In this I can easily share my recover or restore Messenger photos anyone. And in this way you can easily recover or restore your deleted Messenger photos or Facebook photos. After that, go back. And in this time I can easily see or find deleted Facebook Messenger videos. After that, Messenger folder, open it. And in this here I can see my deleted Messenger videos recover or restore in this here. After that, go back. And in this here I can see my deleted Facebook Messenger photos. And then choose and select your recover deleted Facebook Messenger photos. After that, send. And in this I can easily share my recover deleted Facebook Messenger photos anyone. And in this I can easily recover deleted Messenger videos. After that, open Messenger folder. And in this I can see my all deleted Facebook Messenger videos recover or restore in this here. Scroll down. And in this here I can see my deleted Facebook Messenger photos and videos. You can see videos. After that, you can see images. And in this way I can easily recover or restore deleted Messenger photos and videos and Messenger deleted photos easily recovery. So thank you very much and please subscribe this channel.